Hi guys, welcome to another video. This time I will be showing you how to make a star with the Rubik's Cube. So first, let's make it into a cube, and then we have another one. So I'm going to do this very fast. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. That will be later in the video. So these Rubik's Cubes, they're in a star, and then in the box there would be one of these cubes, a cube like this, and a cube like this. To turn it into a star, you have to go like this, this, this. Then, to make it go back, you have to go like this, and fold it down, and fold it this way, and this way. The next one we will be doing this way, that way, that way. I'm making it short because my iPad's on the charger. This is my infinity gauntlet. If you want me to do a video about this, I'll make another video right after this. Bye guys!